Hello students, today we are going to discuss about some basic sentences, keys or keyword or some theories on the paper behavioral science and total quality management. And I think if you know these statements and the others, then you will be able to learn this paper total quality management. We are going to start this process. So it is a question answer process class, and so you have to state which sentences are true or false. So the first question is, the model of value differences was first designed by Gregg Hofstede. It is true. The second one is, PDSA trilogy means quality planning, quality improvement and quality control. It is wrong. The answer is false. Next, perception means only experience. It is false. Delegation is the key word in understanding organization structure. It is also false. A lack of clarity concerning what will happen is known as uncertainty. It is true. Another one is, ring search and control search are same. It is false. Ring search and control search are different. Bar chart and pie diagram are statistical tools for quality measurement. It is true. Perception is not essential in organizational behavior. It is false. Learning is an element in organizational behavior. True. F.W. Taylor was known as father of management. It is false. F.W. Taylor was known as father of scientific management. People like to work just how they like to play. Applies to theory Y. Yes, it is true. Theory Y was given by McGregor. There are 6 basic elements in TQM. True. There are 14 principles prescribed by Zoran. It is false. TQM is both philosophy and a set of guiding principles. It is true. Perception is essential in organizational behavior. It is true. Quality is fitness for use. True. F.W. Taylor was known as father of scientific management. True. Theory X and theory Y are given by Peter Drucker. It is false. Theory X and theory Y are given by Douglas McGregor. Personality is an influencing factor. It is true. Learning means only experience. False. Attitude and values are same. It is not true. It is false. Zoran's trilogy means quality planning, quality improvement and quality control. It is true. The ISO 9000 standards basically have 3 requirements. It is true. TQM and quality are same. False. There are only 7 tools of quality control in TQM. It is false. There are many more tools of quality control in TQM. The approach of Drucker to management is called scientific management. It is false. Again, another style of choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. A lack / surplus of clarity concerning what will happen is known as uncertainty. The answer is lack. Second one is delegation / control is the key word in understanding organizational structure. Answer is control. The least used communication channel in an organization is usually upward horizontal. The answer is horizontal. There are 14/7 tools of quality in TQM. It is 7 tools. It is the right answer. The model of value differences was first designed by Frederick Taylor / Great Hofstede or McGregor. The answer is Great Hofstede. Learning / inception is an element of organizational behavior. The answer is learning. Learning is an element of organizational behavior. People dislike work and seek to avoid it at all costs. Applies to theory X / theory Y. It is applies to theory X. The approach of Taylor / Peter Drucker to management is called scientific management. The answer is F.W. Taylor. The ISO 9000 standards basically have 3/5 requirements. The answer is 3 requirements. There are 14 points prescribed by Domings / Peter Drucker. The 14 points prescribed by Domings. So the answer is Domings. The next one is TQM / MBO is both a philosophy and a set of guiding principles. The answer is Total Quality Management or TQM. Attitude / value is one of the most essential elements of TQM. The answer is attitude. Adam Smith / Henry Fayol is known as father of management. The answer is Henry Fayol. Adam Smith is known as father of economics. Demings / Zoran is known as father of TQM. The answer is Demings. Deming is known as father of TQM. And I think this is enough for today's class. And students, if you know all these things, then it is easier to answer your total quality management paper as well as behavioral science paper. Thanks.